Hello and welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be doing the akinator. Hopefully it's not gonna guess my things right. That's the goal. Okay, first question. Oh wait, first of all I'll tell you what I'm thinking. A camel. Okay, let's go. Is your character a real person? This is hard. A real person. Not a, no. Does your character stand on two legs? No. Does your character have a mouth? Probably. Is your character from Jordan? Don't know. Does your character live in... Does your character fight using a disc? Probably, and don't know. Has your character ever played for Astra Gear Geo? No. Is your character an animal? Yes. Boy, not smiling now, are you? Does your character review move? What? No. Is your character a dag? No. Does your character have British origins? Don't know. Jeez, man. Does your character walk on four legs? Yes, now you're getting somewhere. Is your character a cat? A camel's cat? No. Does your character speak? No. Is your character small? No. Is your character a horse? No. Is your character from Germany? No. I don't know where camels come from. Jesus. Is your character part of a best-selling book series? No. Does your character have superpowers? Sadly, no. Is your character good at dancing? Don't know. Who knows? Does your character live with their father? Don't know, maybe. Is your character associated with milk? No, jeez, man. Is your character real? Yes, camels are real, I think. Does your character do martial arts? No. Does your character have a special left arm? No. Jeez, they don't have arms. Does your character have a special left... Oh, my bad. I think of... the bear. Jeez, man. What? If... So, let me get this right. The almighty akinator got a question wrong. I'll be the akinator. That's right. I bet you couldn't get it. It was a camel, not a bear. That's what I thought. So anyways, let's move on to the next thing. No, it was not. Wait, let's see if it's on the list. Nah, you're not never gonna get it, boy. You never. The bear, tiger, my cow. Jeez, man. My cow. No, it's not my cow. Racing. Yep, you got it. Racing stripes. That's it. Exploding TNT. Jeez, man, you got none of it right. My character's not on the list. What, you think I'm just gonna tell you? Hell no. Okay, let's get into it. Wait. My face can't. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. What should we do this time? A fridge. The fridge is a character, right? Yeah. Does your character make YouTube videos? Don't know. Who knows what the secret life of a fridge is like? Come on. Don't know. Is your character from a Nintendo 64 game? Nope. It's a fridge, boy. Is your character real? Yes, I think. A fridge is real? That's a difficult question. Our fridge is real. And question of the year goes to the akinator for $1 million. The spotlight's on you, boy. A fridge is real. Beautiful, amazing question. Okay, let's get on to the next thing. Is your character from the Balkan region? Don't know. Is he been related with... Whoa. You know, I like fridges, man, but not that much, okay? Cheese. No. Do you live with your... Yes, I do. Is your character Syrian? I don't know. Is your character with you right now? Is my character with me right now? Is my character with me right now? No, okay, let's move on to the next question. Is your character with you? Oh, wait, no, I didn't answer that yet. No, I checked. What? Is your character from Splatoon? No. Wait, is it? The fridge is from Splatoon? Is your character from Pretty Little Liars? No. Is your character? No. And also, guys, comment down below what you want me to do next. Oh, yeah. And also, I'm gonna do a video on how to be cool. It's gonna contain cringe level 0%. That's 0. Is your character in No, stop asking us. What's your fate? Boy, what are you doing? I think... Jeez. What is the poor old boy? Akinator? You okay? You taking a little toilet, boy? Okay. That is nice. You just hang there, buddy. You're doing good. Pat pat. Okay. Jeez, man. Space though. Was your character born in November? Don't know. Has your character ever worn a mask? Probably. Fridges wear masks, right? Does your character come from the internet? That depends. Don't know. Is your character a girl? Don't know. Is your character comic related? No. Does your character wear... Does my character wear a black... And the other nominee for best question of the video also goes to the akinator. Do fridges wear black suits? Why? Yes, they do, boy. Yes, they do. Okay, then. Let's answer this. No. Does your character use the internet? I would hope not. What's my fridge been up to? Does this have sound? No. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this extension I has. Where? Okay. Is your character still alive? Yes. Oh. Where? Is your character American? Don't know. Is your character small? Nah, fridges aren't that small. Does your character use a glass whip and what? Yeah. Is your character linked with Pastor? Yeah, I guess you can put Pastor in fridges. I think of Anonymous. 4chan. Okay. Nope. Wow, guys. So basically, in this video, I beat the akinator. I rousted him. Emo person. Fidget. You are correct. It's a. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next one.